Welcome back. I've come back to lasers, and if you remember, I've just put a video up about the inside of it. Sadly yesterday the whole place was gutted by fire, but sadly it took the church next door, which is absolutely shocking. People in Newport are absolutely shocked by the fact that it's ripped through one of the nicest churches on Stowell. It's absolutely gutted. It was only last Sunday I went past this church and there was people singing it. That's all that's left, these beautiful stained glass windows. But less than 24 hours ago this place was just a roaring fire. Really sad to see. Seems like all they can do now is just try and make it secure. Yeah, so this is lasers. This is where the fire began yesterday. It destroyed almost part of the roof of lasers, but sadly it spread across and burnt the church completely gutted it. But tomorrow morning the congregation of that church are all going to gather in this car park as we see here, and they're all going to do a praise, I think, for the church. So as you can see, the fire brigade is still here, still checking out the church more, if anything. I'm sure there'll be like an investigation now to see how the fire began. But you can imagine, I wouldn't have been able to be this close yesterday because of the roaring fire. As you can see, there's now a clean-up on the way to get the church all safe and secure for people who actually live down there. Obviously they can't go back to the house, knowing that this church can just fall at any time. The intense heat that took over that church, I can imagine, is quite loose, and it's quite possible that the whole place will have to be demolished. So you can see there's a twisted pillar. Must have been beautiful in there. I did hear online there was a massive explosion come from there last night. Perhaps it may have been gas, because the gas people are here today. Right, I'm going to leave it there. Please like and subscribe. Keep subscribing. I will be back. I'm going to have a few weeks off due to a shoulder injury, and I'll see you then.